Anna is the maintenance manager of 3 automotive plants in different countries. For Anna, untimely power outages have a high economic impact, both short-term, as 1 hour of production loss can cost up to $1 million, and medium-term, on order fulfillments, and ultimately on the brand's reputation. Asset management, and specifically proactive management, is vital to ensure the sustainability of her plants. With a wide variety of equipment, from IT to power distribution, Anna must manage a complex infrastructure including different manufacturer brands, equipment obsolescence, and equipment criticality levels. Anna needs to define a tailored maintenance plan by equipment, but she does not have the necessary expertise and resources, so she turns to Schneider Electric. Built on 4 key pillars: expert technicians, best-in-class procedures, spare parts management, and advanced software and testing tools, Schneider Electric's on-site maintenance is the ideal choice to enhance the safety, productivity, energy efficiency, and sustainability of Anna's installations. Schneider Electric technicians have in-depth knowledge of the equipment architecture, its behavior in different environments, and they follow the best-in-class safety requirements. They deliver high-quality OEM maintenance by following rigorous protocols to inspect, check, condition, and test all parts, mechanisms, and systems. When faulty parts need to be replaced, Schneider Electric technicians manage the process to find, install, and test those parts. Using advanced testing instruments and software, they deliver to Anna comprehensive reports with operation data, analytics, and advice on restoring the equipment to its original condition. Depending on her requirements, she can benefit from the on-demand expert on-site maintenance program or enroll in a service plan contract. Preventive maintenance will help Anna to reduce unexpected failures with proactive part replacement based on asset projected service life. Performed during planned downtimes, it's suitable for assets with low criticality in business operations and is much less costly than corrective maintenance. For assets with moderate criticality, Schneider Electric advises condition-essential maintenance, enhancing preventive maintenance by assessing the equipment core function and recommending simple repairs. These diagnostics allow our technicians to suggest the replacement of essential parts only when needed. In the long run, this helps to reduce part replacement, to lower the overall maintenance costs, and to ensure equipment continues to function at peak performance. For specific applications where Anna's equipment has high criticality levels, Schneider Electric proposes Condition Advanced Maintenance, completing Condition Essential Maintenance with our most advanced diagnostics. Helping ensure Anna's equipment's maximum performance and the continuity of her operations, these diagnostics are based on complex protocols for data acquisition and smart algorithms that deliver expert insights. And if needed, Anna can go further and maximize her site's asset utilization and allocation with an optimized modernization plan based on a deep equipment diagnostic assessment. Thanks to Schneider Electric's on-site maintenance services and our global presence, Anna can maximize the performance of her plants and benefit from the same quality of service in all the factories she is managing.